This is our final project for CMPT 372. So for this project, we decided to create a forum-style web app called OpenCollab. This application is used for developers and users to share and collaborate on open source projects. So users can propose ideas, project ideas, up and down vote other people's project ideas, or keep track of their project's progress through a Kanban-style board. So for our team roles, we divided up so that Puneet did the projects and users using Angular and Express, Denise did the Kanban using Angular and Express as well, and then Celina worked on the database and server setup.
The diagram on this slide explains the general architecture of our application. We have an internal service which is a Postgres database, and it exposes port 5432, and then Express calls that port through localhost. These are hosted on a separate VM which exposes port 8080 for reverse proxy server. And for the front end, we have Angular, which is hosted on a separate VM, and it calls Express through the external IP address of Express. And then for our external service, we have Firebase authentication, and Angular imports Firebase authentication to guard specific routes, and then Express also imports Firebase authentication to authenticate or authorize the user depending on if he's an admin or just a regular user.
No, okay. Here's our demo.
Dun, dun, dun.
The first view we're going to look at is the commenter/viewers perspective. So we sign in as a user, we enter the username and password, and then we sign in. So here on the main page you'll see all the projects listed, created by all the users, and you can sort it by the newest or the top with most upvotes. Then you can also sort it by the tags within each project, and you can search by name of the projects or users' names. And then you can also upvote and downvote projects. So this is to contribute and vote on projects that you like or dislike. And then within each project page, there's going to be a Kanban board to look at and a comment section where every user can leave comments. And then each user can delete their own comments or add new ones. And then for each user there's a profile page which shows all the projects that someone has created and all the tasks that are assigned to them.
Now this is from the perspective of a creator. He can create a new project, give it a name, also give it a description. They can also add a maximum of 3 tags. So for example, C++ for this project, add a GitHub link. They can publish the project. They can go to their profile to check the new project that they created. They can navigate to the GitHub page of the project, add new tasks, for example. They can assign the task to all the users that have signed up to this application. In this example, he assigns it to Thomas. You can also move the task between the 3 states of the task, either in progress, to do, or it's already done. They can also delete the task or add another one. They also have the option to edit the name or the description of the project. In this case, the project's actually not that cool. It also turns out that C++ is such a hard language, so they switched it to Python. And they can go back and look at other projects. They can navigate back to their project. Turns out Python's not easy either.
And then the last perspective we have is the admin. So the admin is able to go in and edit and delete almost everything. So here you can see they're deleting tasks. They can also delete bad comments left on any of the projects. They don't have to be the owner of a project. And they also have the same privileges as regular users, where they can leave comments and create tasks and projects. And then here you can just see they're deleting a bad project idea. And they weren't the owner, but they could delete it anyway. And then here you can see they can go in and edit any project.